Welcome. If you want to change the graphic settings in your League of Legends Wild, at the first we have to tap on the settings icon, then move to the graphic. So here we get the quality, we can set the performance, balance, high definition and ultra high definition. So for example, if you want to set up the highest settings, the best graphic settings, you have to pick these settings, and then you can also customize the model quality for the high, FX quality for the high, then click confirm. Also we can turn on the post-processing and turn on character inting. And after that, when we turn on all this stuff, we have to just go back. And that's how we can change it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.